Hello, I'm Emily Holle, Director of Trend and Design for MSI, and I'm going to tell you about our top 5 trends this year. We do 5 every year, and they really help us keep a pulse on what's happening in the industry and make sure we're bringing the best products out that are on trend. So the first trend is called Down to Earth, and it's really about this warming up of the palette. Warm colors. Think about blondes, white and gold, really earthy, beautiful palette in a lot of natural hues. People are really loving this warming trend, whether it's in LVT, natural stone, or even seeing quartz with a beautiful gold vein in it. Just feels like a nice warm hug. People are really, really loving these warmer, earthy tones. So this is Down to Earth. Trend number 2 is the Overachievers. Most designers really focus on design and color trends, but this is really all about lifestyle. So people are really expecting products to overachieve and be indestructible, pet-proof, kid-proof, life-proof, all the proofs. It's an expectation now. So if you think about porcelain tile, it's great for people that want that high durability. LVT that's waterproof, quartz countertops that are virtually indestructible. Really having that expectation around performance is king. So we wanted to make sure we called out products that were overachievers out in the marketplace. We have a new hexagon line that's pretty cool in there, and some great wall products as well. Trend number 3 is Holistic Haven. It's all about outdoor living and bringing your indoors outdoors. So we're seeing people really want to entertain outside, create a beautiful space outside. Homes have larger windows, bigger traversing doors, and really what you see inside is now transitioning outside. We take a lot of pride in developing products that coordinate for the indoors and the outdoors. So think about an indoor tile with a coordinating outdoor paver. We have LVT on the floor with a matching paver. So there's a lot of design capabilities that you can do when you're mixing and matching these materials, and we try to make it effortless and make it easy for you to mix and match these materials. So please don't forget outdoor spaces. They're very important for 2022, and really there's money to be had on the table if you're not thinking about the outdoor space when you're working with your customers. So this is Holistic Havens. Our 4th trend is called Uptown Botanicals, and it's really based on the color green. If you're doing any of your homework on color, you would notice that 7 paint companies actually chose a shade of green as their color of the year. I have never seen 7 paint companies do that. It's pretty fascinating, actually. And us in the hard surface world got a little nervous. No, we do not need to have tons of green tile and green flooring, but we need to know that that's what people are wanting on their walls. They're painting these beautiful shades of green, or they're painting kitchen cabinets in shades of green. So we wanted to make sure that we have materials that work really well with that. Something like this Savoy Azula with a great blue-green vein in it, or these beautiful tones of whites and grays that mix really well with green paint colors. So be cognizant of the color world and what they're doing, and make sure you can talk that talk with your consumers that want to come in and have this beautiful Uptown Botanical look. It's really pretty and refreshing. So, all right, trend number 5 is toast-worthy texture. It is all about that tactile surface. You cannot forget about the wall. Really, when you walk into a room, your sight line is directly looking at the wall. So think about mixing and matching materials that have texture, like wavy patterns or dimensional stone looks. This is a great example right here. The Cosmic White ledger panel creates a really wow moment on the wall. So think about mixing these materials, looking at brick, maybe marble looks. There's a lot of really cool things you can do on the wall, and think about that when you're working with your customer and find a way to introduce texture. They will love that. Creates a great look on the wall. So trend number 5 is toast-worthy texture.